In example 1, we need to identify the like terms, and we're given three problems here, or three sets of some terms. This might be hard for you guys to see, so I'm going to write them a little bit bigger. Apologize for the font size there. These are the four terms here. When we want to identify like terms, the big thing is that these are terms with the same variable raised to the same power. Very important. Yes, we have to have the same variable, but those variables need to be raised to the same power. If we look at this x, it is not a like term with x squared. The exponent is different. We have an x in this term, and it's raised to the first power. So these are like terms. And x is not like 4. 4 is a constant, and this has a variable. And those are not like terms. X squared also doesn't have a friend in here. None of these other terms have an x squared in it. So we can say only that x and 3x are like terms. If we look at the next one, we can look at the 2b, and then I'm looking here, I'm seeing a b squared, and then there's nothing over here. There's no b here. So the 2b is not like the 8 or these other two. However, 6b squared and 3b squared are like terms. They're like terms, and I should have written all those out for you guys. So that's a 2b there, 6b squared, a 3b squared, hopefully you can see that, and that's an 8. And so only these two have the same variable raised to the same power, so they're like terms. In this example on the right hand side, we're going to do the same thing. We've got a negative x, x squared, and a 3x, a 4, and a negative 2x. Right now what I'm seeing is that negative x and 3x, and I failed to write this again for you guys, here you go. Hopefully that will help you see what's going on here. So we'll do that down here. So this x and this negative x and this 3x, those are like terms. They have the same variable raised to the same power, and those are also like terms with this negative 2x. The x squared, the 2 up here is the problem for the rest of these, and the 4 doesn't have an x. So our answer here will be negative x, 3x, and negative 2x. Those are all the like terms.